In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the background color in Notion, a wonderfully versatile productivity tool that many of us have come to rely on for organizing our thoughts, tasks, and projects. Let's dive in, starting with the basics. Launch your Notion application or open it in your web browser. Once you're in, navigate to the particular page or workspace where you'd like to apply the background color change. Finding the right spot is essential because you want to make sure that it's consistent with the rest of your workspace aesthetic. When you've reached the page you aim to customize, hover your cursor over the section of text or the block where you want to alter the background color. Look carefully to the left of the block, and you'll notice a small 6-dot icon. This is your gateway to customization. Click on this icon to access the block's menu. If you don't see the dots at first, you might need to move your cursor slightly, and they'll appear. Upon clicking the icon, a small toolbar will pop up with various options. Here, you'll want to locate and select the color option in this menu. It's typically represented with a paint palette icon or simply labeled as color. Once you've clicked on it, a color palette will appear, showcasing a variety of hues and shades available for your selection. From this color palette, you have the liberty to choose the background color that best suits your needs. Perhaps you prefer something bright and bold to catch attention, or maybe a subtler, softer tone that harmonizes with your page's existing theme. Once you've made your choice, click on your desired color, and voila! The background of your block will change instantly. Now, this change is not permanent. If you decide later that the color isn't quite right, you can always hover back over the block, click on the 6-dot icon, and revisit the color menu to select a new color. The versatility here allows you to experiment until you find the perfect look for your workspace. Here's a useful tip: keep your overall theme in mind. Consistency in color schemes can add a layer of professionalism to your workspace and make it much easier to navigate. And remember, if you need to apply the same color change to multiple blocks, you'll need to repeat this process for each one. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to customize your Notion pages just the way you like them, bringing a touch of personality and efficiency to your digital organization setup. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Feel free to ask any questions in the comments below. Happy organizing!